Hello everyone, welcome back. I am Amir Mohammad Shahsawarani from AUA Framework team. In this series of videos, we want to announce you our AUA Framework, which resembles ASP.NET Unique architecture, and it's the ready-to-use template for making ASP.NET Core projects. And we are just focusing here in this series of video of the version of ASP.NET version 8, and you can find the documentation here in our site and our GitHub project here. We have spoken about how to download the version evaluation and for free. We have spoken about the layers in Iowa, and now let's move on to continue inspecting the layers. We have spoken about domain entities layer, we have spoken about infrastructure layer models, and now we are just getting to inspect services layer. Service layer, we do have two sub layers, namely background services and services. We will speak about background services thoroughly in a separate video, but in this video we would like to announce the services that we use in our project. As you can see, in sub layer of services, in the layer of services of our module, you can see entity services, which we do have our focus here. We made a sample of accounting so that you can better understand it. And as we've just told in previous versions and in previous videos of this version, the version .NET 8, you can see this sample code and you can use it. But going further, we can see that each service we have divided it to two subfolders, two subdomains. First, contracts. In contracts, we put you can see interface, okay? I account role service, I account service, I active, blah, blah, blah. And what are these? These are exactly our entities we have put in domain entities. As you can see, for each aggregate here, we do have some files in service analogous to each of these aggregates. Account aggregates, as you can see, we do have here. Okay, let's make it bigger. Account aggregate, you can see I account service. And these are the contracts we have put services here. You can see, for example, account aggregate, okay, account, and you can see account service, okay. This is account service. Or you can see, for example, account role. Okay, this is account role, and we do have account role service here. So just what you need is to put domain entity service here, a sort of implementation, and put the aggregate name here. Okay, if your aggregate name uses the exact key as long, you don't need to put it here. You just put the name of the aggregate here, and it automatically implements, injects, and makes all the methods and dependencies of the given aggregate you have put right or implemented here. Okay, everything is automated here. Practically speaking, you just put the aggregate name here and see and watch that everything would automatically made for you, and everything will go forth automatically with no need to think about it more. If, for example, like this role service, you can see for the role service, our key was not long, so we can implement it here int because our key was int. As you can see, for example, for role user access aggregate, our key was int. But for example, for account role, our key was long. Okay, then no need to change it. Everything, as you can see, for example, for account, our key was long. Everything was implemented, injected, and put here all together. No need to work, no need to do anything, no need to code here. If you need more issues to be inspected, to be added, or if you need more descriptions and details, or maybe you think for comprehending these issues all together, you need more discussions, please feel free to contact us. Please leave comments and messages in our website. And you can just see our GitHub here. I will make it in another video, and you can see the documents here, and we have videos. These are the documents, introduction parts, and we have just video tutorials. These video tutorials, as you can see, all the videos of the previous version are put here for the .NET 7, and you can use the basic issues. We are just here. This is our .8 repository, but you have seen that we've put all the previous versions here. Okay, if you need further details, further documentations, do not hesitate to contact us and ask for it. Thank you for watching our videos. We are waiting for you in the next series.